Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing something I accidentally discovered and it's going to blow your mind. So, I was using my earphones and connecting them into my phone. But guess what? I didn't plug it in all the way. It was only halfway connected. When I played the song, something crazy happened. The voice in the song was gone. And it was just the instrumental playing. Like, no joke, it works on any audio. Let me show you a quick demonstration. And let me show you how. You just need to plug in halfway in. And that's how you do it. Still don't believe me? I will show you some proof. Now, I'm not a scientist, but I think this happens because of something called phase cancellation. Basically, the left and right audio signals mess with each other when the connection is weird. And somehow, the vocals get cancelled out. Pretty cool, right? But here's the thing. It's actually kind of tricky to do this perfectly every time. You have to get earphone just right, not too far in and not too far out. It takes a bit of practice, but once you figure it out, it's super satisfying. So what can you do with this? You can turn your favorite song into karaoke tracks, use it for editing, or just have fun experimenting with music like I did. You can do this with any wire earphones and a phone with a headphone jack. Super easy! If you try this out, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this discovery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and random content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.